Somali political institutions was then due a trust deficit and simultaneous failure by the centrally planned economic model of the government to generate wealth. Remarkably, the strong and vibrant Somali business community became the backbone of our nation for 30 years, providing much needed goods and services. Even at the time when movement of people from one region of Somalia to other was restricted due to conflict, it was only the business community that accessed every part of our country. As Somalia's leaders, we have therefore recognized, in the absence of a supportive governance environment, through sheer innovation, the Somali business leaders have made incredible achievements. Somalia has one of the best telecommunication sectors in Africa today, a very sophisticated remittance industry that serves Somalis and non-Somalis across the world. Somalia has mobile money transfer system with roughly 155 million transactions per month, and the list of achievements are endless. To build on these achievements by our business community, it became our vision to fully unlock the economic potential of Somalia by simply rebuilding trust in government in order to grow our economy and our businesses. Because as successful as our business community has been, they have lacked a trusted government that facilitated their growth and bringing the world's investors to their shores.